Hey, welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Today we're making Lazy Girl Guacamole. This will take you literally 5 minutes, taste really good, and reduce single-use plastic because it doesn't come in a container. It will also save you money. Let's get started. I call this Lazy Girl Guacamole because it's super easy to make, but it's super delicious as well. I'm gonna take 2 avocados and slice them into my bowl. If you haven't worked with avocados much, you want your avocados to be soft, but not so soft that they're getting bruised. These are just perfect. My avocados weren't ready yesterday, so I put them in a brown paper bag and they're ready today. That's a secret trick. Next, I'm gonna chop up about 3 scallions. I'm using scallions because they have a nice light flavor, but you can also use onions. If you're using onions, just use like a 1/4 cup because they're pretty strong. Okay, be sure to chop your scallions really well. Next, I'm gonna add in a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. This is garlic powder. I'm not adding garlic salt. Because it's not garlic salt, I'm just gonna add in about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is what makes it Lazy Girl. I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of good quality. That's the key, good quality salsa. I love Herdez salsa. Now I'm gonna squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. And now we're just gonna mash it up. Remember to taste your food to make sure it's salty and limey and delicious. And then because we eat with our eyes before we eat with our mouths, we're gonna make it look beautiful by chopping up some cilantro and putting it on top. That took me 5 minutes. It looks pretty. We're ready to serve it. Enjoy.